Welcome guys to new video how to track your expenses. Have you ever looked at your bank balance and wonder where did all my money go? Don't worry, today I will show you exactly how to track your expenses step by step so you stay in control of your money, not the other way around. In order to manage your finance, the step one is by starting gathering all your spending sources such as your bank statements, credit card, bills, receipts and even small cash expenses. Everything goes into one place. This gives you the complete picture of where your money is going. Step number 2 is pick a method that works for you. It can be a simple notebook, a spreadsheet or an expense tracking app. The tool does not matter as much. What matters is the consistency. It can be online files or you can maintain a register where you can record your income and expenses. Step number 3 is start recording every expense. Write down the date, category, what you bought and the amount. Tracking even small expenses like tea or snacks makes a huge difference. It might seem useless, but it will help a lot when we calculate our overall expenses. 4 is organize your spending into categories. This helps you understand which part of your life is eating your budget. Like foods, bills, shopping, you will see patterns very easily. In order to control our budget, we must categorize the big expenses. Step number 5 is review your expenses every week. This keeps you aware, helps you catch spending early and keeps you motivated to stay on track. And remember, your expenses must be less than your income. Then that is the only way you will prosper and have a saving in future. If your income is less than your expenses or equal to your expenses, then you're never going to be financially independent. Your income must be higher than your expenses. Compare your total spending with your income. This shows whether you are living within your means and where you need to adjust. Thank you so much for watching this video.